Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to have your camera off by default in your meetings in Microsoft Teams application or software. So the first thing that we need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client, and then you need just to follow these simple steps. So basically, to change your default settings of your joining meetings, you will need first to join a meeting, because when you join a meeting, it will give you a preview before joining. So basically here I have my Teams spacework or my Teams window, and then I'm going to add or to join a meeting now, create it. So as you can see, this is the name, and before you click join now, as you can see, you will find all these options or these settings. And as you can see now, you will have, for example, if you had your camera on, you will need just to have it off, because as you can see, when I created the meeting, the camera was already turned off because it was like the last time. So basically, all you need to focus on is to have your camera off, and then even if you join now, as you can see, I'm connecting, and even if I join now, my camera is already off by default. So then I will need to turn on my camera so I can show or so I can turn on the camera. So I'm going to leave now, and let's just end the meeting. So basically, the editing has been ended, and as you can see, that was how you make your camera off by default in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.